Hi, my name is Amy. Thank you very much for watching, and let's make some bad coding decisions together. This is for entertainment purposes only, so if you're entertained, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So I was on hold because I was going to ask the unemployment people what counts as income, like are my dividends counting as income? Because if it is, I'm making way more than $81 a week. If not, then I think we're good because I only make so much money on YouTube every week. Anyways, when I was on hold, I created this .env file, and this is just defining some basic things that I can show you. And I also created the .env-sample, which will be added to my Git so that in the future, when there's things in here that I cannot show you, this will have the hints for it. That way, if somebody else comes into this project, they'll know where to get what they need and not necessarily have the secrets in GitHub, which is not best practices. So I wanted to set up my Express server next, which we can do, but we can't really set up Knex until we set up TypeScript. So what I'm going to do is, why don't we ask Cursor, please install and set up TypeScript in this NuxtJS application. Please use best practices and npm. Okay. So we're installing TypeScript and node types. So we run this. Okay, so we have a next TypeScript. Sorry, it's a tsconfig. Keep. And we have a TypeScript file here. Oh, it types. Okay, yes, that makes sense. Keep that, and then this is not showing, like, for some reason, when I asked Gemini to give me a plan for this, it has TypeScript and then Knex TypeScript build and TypeScript runtime. So I'll ask if these are things that I need to install. Run that. Oh, you know what? NVM list. NVM use LTS iron. Is there a way to, let's ask Gemini, because Cursor does this automatically. It'll just change the entire thing. Is there a way to automatically, are you making fun of my spelling, Gemini? Okay, automatically switch to a node version when cd into the folder for development. I think that there is a way to do it for Ruby. I've seen it for Ruby. Okay, so it's LTS. Okay, so we'll do cd, nope, this is it. So we'll do touch, copying it, .mvrmc, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to do and then save that. And we're going to add this to get ignore as well, which that should probably be in alphabetical order, but you know. You should probably make sure that you are using node using mvm use. Are we using Next 4 or are we using Next 3? Also, did Next 4 come out and is it incompatible with Next 3? Maybe these are questions I should answer, but I'm not. Not right now, at least. So I cd dot and I cd minus mvm list. Let's just see if stop, and then do this. That good, huh? Okay, so then what are the steps after this? Actually, what are the steps after this? Doesn't the next config have like a TypeScript thing in here? Keep. And then, yes, we have TypeScript here. And we're going to keep all this. We didn't change anything too much. And so this should nominally have TypeScript oh, I was going to ask, let's get the npm install working, and then we will we'll call it a day, because it's like 9 minutes into this video and we haven't done any express things. So once this installs and we make sure that we have imported TypeScript correctly, then yeah, so we have a TS config, and yeah, oh, yep, I'm assuming it did the right build modules and stuff. Okay. The npm install worked. Do we need to do anything else? Okay, why don't we do this not in there and just see if it works. Okay. I ran it in the terminal. It worked. Anything else? Okay, what are we doing with the utils? Okay. This is how things get out of hand. Keep, I guess. Keep this too. Yes. Keep all of this, I suppose. Okay. Let's just do npm run dev and make sure it actually stands up as a thing. Okay. So we're gonna do okay. Why don't we just do npm run dev and see if this works? Do we have another terminal running? Okay. Do we need do we need to also install okay. I don't think I had to do any of that with this. Okay. I ran it in the terminal. It is 3 p.m. When we're done with this, run. Okay, so we're doing, oh. Why is there when you think things are straightforward, and then they're not. But we do have the NVM RC right now, or added, because that that automatically changes the node version when you go into the folder. And if it doesn't, it outlines it. So I literally did install that already. It should be there. Oh, okay. So the 64 is Rosetta, but this is ARM because we're on an M1. Maybe. But yeah, so it's almost 3 p.m. When we're done with this, I'm going to save this, merge it into main, delete the branch, make a new branch for doing the express things, and then I'm going to have a snack because I'm hungry. And then what are we doing? I'm going to probably fill out the unemployment resume thing because I'm supposed to pretend that I want to to find another job to get unemployment, which if I find another job, I'll take it. But I think I have set up everything so that I can pursue doing this full time. It's just that I'm entitled to the unemployment. So, I just wish that this would have. Okay, so we're gonna run dev. We'll see if this is working. Okay. It's probably localhost 3001, right? Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, so I had a wrong screen that I had to edit out. So we got this. We got it to work, except for with this little error, so I typed that in. And so we should probably be able to, yep, that refreshed, hot module reloading for the win, and now it's there. I don't know what that is doing. Okay, so what did we change, and when can I go have a snack? So we added the TypeScript JSON, which is basically the configuration file for TypeScript. Keep that and keep this. And then this is the new index, which we want to keep that for now. I don't like that it has like app and view. So we'll probably wind up just deleting that, but I don't. Can we delete app.view now? So we don't need this. I'm gonna delete. So we have pages and we have components, which is how I like it. And then we are going to have the server, and we add things to the get ignore, and we've added the TypeScript to the next configuration. So I'm going to go ahead and add everything, get commit -m, and say implemented TypeScript. Okay. And so this is a good commit message to check out main, get merge, and then get branch. We'll get checkout this and get merge main back into this, so it should all be good. And so the next video we'll go ahead and actually set up the Express backend. I was just worried about the extension of the Knex file being wrong, and then we're going to have a lot of effort that I've already figured out in YieldMight to get it into the correct format that TypeScript is expecting. So anyways, thank you.